So, alright, so hello, bye. This video is like a tutorial video to help you, like, make YouTube videos. So, there's another video like this on my channel already, but that's another way of doing it. But, if you have a phone, you can you can record videos on your phone, and then you can take the charger and where the part where it plugs into the outlet, like in the wall, you can take that off, and then you can plug it to the phone after you stop recording your video, and then plug it in your computer, and then it will go into the files, and then you go on YouTube Studio and then upload a video that way, because that's what I did before, and it seems to work good, but there may be a slight problem with that, because it might not show up right away, or it might not show up at all. But if it doesn't show up, try going on the file thing before on your computer before you plug it in. So then when you plug it in, you'll see something pop up, and then you click it, and then it'll all show up, and then you close it, go on YouTube Studio, and then do that again. So yeah. But also, if you make a video that's longer than 15 minutes, it won't let you, because you're only limited to 15-minute long videos. So you have to create videos that's under 15 minutes. So then what you want to do is go to YouTube Studio, and then once you're on YouTube Studio, you want to go to, once it loads and everything, you want to go to Creator Studio Classic, and say tell us why you blah blah blah. You want to hit skip, and then you want to go to channel, not channel. Want to go to Video Manager, I believe. Nope, not that one. You want to go to create. No. Community. So, yeah. External. Put default. Yeah. So you want to go there, and then I did it before, but I can't remember how I did it. I think it's actually in YouTube Studio. Not the classic one, but the one that's already there. Oh, I think it's in... I don't know where it is. I don't know, but you guys can look, and if you find it, you'll see video limiter to 15 minutes. Then what you want to do is change that to longer than 15 minutes so you can have longer videos. So yeah. I'm still trying to find it. Yeah. So what you want to do is, so once you're in the YouTube or Creator Studio Classic, you want to go to Channel and click, and once you're on it, it'll say you're on Status and Features. So you'll see longer videos. You click Enable, and then it'll say you can now make videos, or you can now upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So then you can make like 20-minute videos. So yeah. So yeah, that's anyway, that's all I wanted to tell you for you beginners out there. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.